Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is about to be Tuesday, but it is currently Monday. About to be the 21st of December, 2021, and Marsha is here. Hello, hello. Today was auto-update day, so we'll be taking a look at the stats of that, and then I did a few open sourcey things today. Yeah, it's gonna be 21, 21, 21. Huh. Interesting. Well, not 21, 21, 21, but 12, 21, 21. I guess there'll be some 21s on the clock. So that's fair. But yeah, let's jump into it. Let me say hi to everyone who is here. Oops, why is button not working? There we go. D-Dels was here before the stream started. Marsha was first today. Hello to both of you. Fixter Jake, welcome. RKJ, who says 4 a.m. stream. Well, you're the one that's up. But welcome. Good to see you again. Yes, tomorrow is what is it called? The winter solstice? Wait, no, solstice is the summer one. What's the winter one called? Is it also a solstice? I guess it is also the solstice. I thought it had a different name. Yeah, I guess anyway. That's tomorrow, so if you make it through tomorrow, you make it through the most depressing day of the year, which is great. Means we're finally gonna get more sunlight. Oh. Ethan, hello. Good to see you again. Adrian DAA, welcome back. Arrow Mounts is also here, and Indie Monkey, and OM, and Gilliam Wibson. How's it going? Welcome. Winter sucks. Yeah, winter sucks. The equinox is the fall thing. Yes. Okay, cool. Alright, so let's take a look at auto update day. I know that a bunch of my repos got updated today because MyPy released last week. So at the very least, I have a bunch of PRs from that. CloudWatch, yes. So I clicked through a bunch of stuff today, and there were a bunch of MyPy failures. So I had a bunch of stuff to fix. It wasn't too bad. I think it was like 5 or 10 repos. Ugh. Well, that's annoying. You got up to 48. I believe this is me. This is about the time where my repos run. So that would make sense. We started so late that we're off the graph though. So unfortunately we don't get the high resolution, but it's in queuing just over 9,000 repositories because that's what it was last week. So beyond this last spike here, this looks pretty good. But even this spike didn't last too long. Like what is this? 5-minute periods? No, this is 5 minutes total. Yeah, so it drained the queue really quickly, which is nice, and it makes sense if it's my repos, because oh wait, no, this is way past the end. I don't know what this is then. This is where my repos would be, that chunk there. But anyway, this looks fairly fine. These dead letters are probably the same ones that we saw last week with the permission denied. Let's take a look at the metrics, see how those look. Yeah, not surprising. That same spike has a queue time spike here, but during auto update it was actually pretty fine. And this queue spike is actually fine because it's probably one user, and they queue behind themselves, and so it inflates the queue time a little bit. But that's fine. Yeah, this looks pretty good. No errors today, which is great. Let's take a look at the dead letters for the thing. Oh, my eye is twitching again. Okay, we're gonna gotta do mood lighting. I don't know why my eyes have been freaking out recently. It's really annoying. Dead letter Q. Yes, indeed. 3 though. 3 items. Oh, this is a new one. Is this account banned? Oh wait, no, it's not new because that definitely tab completed. Oh yeah, no wait, this was the one from last week. This is the forbidden repo. Yep, so not that one. That one we can ignore. Well, not ignore, we'll fix it eventually. This looks like a... So we want to look at that later. This looks like a suspect username. Oh. Got nothing to add in bio. Okay, cool. What is this repo? Something about this username. This user seems suspect. Yeah, it looks like the same deal. Oh. That's weird. I have not seen this before. The base repo is just gone. As is the base user. What? What the fuck? They forked a repo from a banned user? Well, anyway, that's the same problem as the other repo. Does that mean this one is the same thing? Oh, I know this person. This is the Snapcraft guy. They have like thousands of snap recipes. So what happened with their repo here? Oh, they moved it. They moved it. Which means... it probably doesn't show up here anymore. It's probably just they moved the repo. Oh, they literally have every single one of the repos configured. No! Don't do this! I mean, it doesn't cause that much execution time, but it's just kind of... Yeah, okay, so they moved this repo, and that's why it errored. We can ignore all these again. When we have some more time to work on this, I will probably reproduce this failing case and add a specific error message catch for it. But not today. We don't have time. That'll have to wait until after AOC is over. I guess you're not sleeping at your normal times. I mean, usually I adjust to sleep schedules within a few days, and I've pretty much adjusted to my AOC sleep schedule. But I don't know. I don't know. Siberian Lumberjack says, it's AOC time already. Let me force push last minute changes to production, and I'm ready for important stuff. Yeah, right? Snap shutters, yeah, fucking snap. Fucking snap. Okay, I think that's all we want to look at for the auto update. Oh, we also always look at the total run count. I believe we're past, we might be past 300,000 now? We were like at 250,000 last time I looked. Oh. Whoa. That's way more than I remember. Or am I tripping? What's the last reported number here? 280K on November 20th. So it has been 1 month. So 50,000 runs in 1 month. That's kind of nuts. That's a lot. 50,000, is that right? November 20th, it's December 20th. Like 1,700 a day? That's a run every minute. Right? .1 runs per minute. Neil Kagan, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Pizza City, welcome. Are you East Coast or West Coast? I live on the East Coast, but I am doing West Coast sleep schedule for the moment. Too bad not 69,420. Yeah, indeed, Alkaline. That would be certainly a good memes. But holy shit, that's a lot. 50,000 with how many auto update days? I mean 4 auto update days because it's a month. Okay, I did some open source stuff today. Let's go over that. Most of it is in TypeShed because I tried to upgrade MyPy at work, which I mostly got it working. Pizza City, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, so the first thing I noticed while cleaning up MyPy is I had, well, this is unrelated. This image seems to just be gone, so I switched to Ubuntu Focal. I noticed this pattern, which is a Python 2, Python 3 porting pattern that I had just never cleaned up. So I went through and cleaned this up. The reason that I cleaned this up is MyPy now has specialized overloading for getAttr, where it knows this type and creates a union for it. So there were a few breakages on this pattern because this makes a union of stir bytes, which is nonsense usually. So I went through and cleaned this up. This function was mistyped in TypeShed, and we call this at Stripe. I don't know how I don't know how a function named get returning none was allowed to be committed, but whatever. I fixed it so that it has the proper generator type. And this one's a little ironic. Someone added TypeShed stubs for the Stripe Python API. And most of the stubs were just like missing or broken. So I filled out the ones that were needed for Stripe's code bases. So this rather useless function, I don't know why this function returns none if you pass it none. Which I don't know, just don't fucking call it if it's none. Like I don't know why you would write a function like this, but there is one in Stripe's Python API. I also filled out stripe.customer, and oh boy, let me show you the fuckery that's going on here. These are all just the same patch but different APIs. Actually, which one's the weird one? This one? This one. One of these ones is weird. I think it was the one I just closed. Oh no, this one has a weird one. Okay, so it's not customer. This one has a weird one. I also fixed pillow stubs in TypeShed. Added some improved types there. And I fixed a little thing in pre-commit hooks tests. It was doing this home monkey patching, but it turns out you can just call LFS with -- local, and then it doesn't try and piss on your home directory. I don't know. And LFS is just like, I feel like it was an intern project, and some of the APIs just make no goddamn sense. But anyway, that's for another day. That'd be 5 auto update days since 30 days in 2 days more than 4 weeks. Yes, I guess if today is an auto update day and we consider 30 days back, yes, it would be 5 auto update days. Yeah, that's fair. Wasn't there a clip of you saying, notice me, MyPy? Yeah, there's like 3 of them, Marsha. iTech says, do you get paid for pre-commit? Open source software? Not really. My pre-commit.ci, I have a few paying customers. It is barely profitable. Fixture says, I'm so ready for this week to be over. I'm very in need of my week off next week. Well, I don't have a week off next week because I'm on call, so... But it'll be hopefully a chill week. Knock on wood. Hey, what's up, High Tech? And oh wait, I already said hi, High Tech. Time Traveler, that's who I was trying to say hi to. Hello. Walker Codes is also here. And ASD, good to see you. Julian Ortel, welcome back. A fellow workaholic to make me feel like I'm slacking for taking 15 minutes of my night up to myself. Oh no. How caught up are you on Advent of Code? Completely caught up. We do them during unlock. Here's my stats. I'm just I'm like 100 points out of the top 100. So if I get 100 points, I can be in the top 100. If pattern sticks, there'll be 5 more log for J CBE. So best of luck. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you this fuckery here. So the Stripe API has a bunch of like random. What am I looking at? Transaction item, subscription item. So this is what their class looks like. It has this funny decorator here, which nested resource class methods, and just this here. So what this function does here is it generates a bunch of methods that it just kind of slaps onto the class here. Now note there's a little weird thing about this right here. Resource plural. This is supposed to change the method names so that they're pluralized properly in the generated methods, of course. And of course it works properly in some cases. So this is, you know, if the specialized plural is not passed, it just slaps an S on the end, you know, real I18N friendly. And then down here somewhere, yeah, like list method, it uses list underscore resource plural to make the method name. All fine and dandy, right? The problem becomes when you forget to use this resource plural, such as this one right here. So this method name becomes user record summary YS URL. which is, I mean, no one fucking notices it because it's generated code until I go to type it, and the types look like nonsense here because you have summaries URL. This one's right, but these ones are fucked. But yeah, God, fucking gross generated code. Anyway, that's my sneaky bug of the day. I have the same glass of water. I mean, it's just a normal, boring glass of water. Looks like ROR. I cannot think of what ROR is. Clumsy, hello, welcome. Big Mad should have auto-generated the types. Yeah, that would have made way more sense. Ruby on Rails. Yeah, you know why it looks like Ruby on Rails? Because Stripe is a Ruby shop, and I'm pretty sure this is just a hacky, gross port of the Ruby code. But okay. Yes, we should get set up for AOC so that we can go zoom and still not get points anyway. Oh, I did another AOC thing offline as well. I simplified my day 21 down a little bit. Let me just show you the code, I guess. Day 20. That's what I mean. I simplified this down a little bit. Before I was doing like a weird partial functools thing and flip-flopping, but I realized that if I just do this 2 steps at a time, so instead of range 2, it's range 1, and it just does an even number of steps. This gets a lot simpler. So I can make the one default dict and then make another default dict, and increase by 1, then increase by 2, and then modify these numbers. So a little bit simpler than what we had before. But yeah. Day 21, touch init.py. I make that typo so often. I'm not even British. We're gonna make double under bruv, right? What did I just do? Why did I just try and cd to... Wait. Why did this expand to... Oh, there's space here. Oh. So this didn't end up in the history, so Bang Dollar referred to this up here. That was weird. That was not what I expected. Okay. Open that up. This looks like slight insanity over here. I really should have just used watch. So something keeps putting... Oh, it's not there anymore. Something keeps putting CA certificates, just dumping them in my temporary directory and not cleaning them up. So I was trying to figure out what it was. So I was just running every command that I had run recently and looking in temp, and nothing recreated them, so don't know where they're coming from. But there's the ghost somewhere. Day 21, part 2, part 1. AOC download input. Okay, ready to go there. RB2Pi, yeah. I've never used Ruby, but it just looks gross. I mean, could be worse. Could be worse. Ethan says today's can't be harder than yesterday. Yesterday's was fine. The day before, though. Oh, sorry. Did you not want random certs in TempTemp? Yeah, I did not want random certs in TempTemp. You should watch proc and grep for temp. Yeah, that would make sense. The thing is, like, all sorts of stuff use temporary files. Just like, it's really, yeah, that makes sense. Finding it's tricky though. Snow Cone with the raid. How you doing, Snow? Welcome Raiders. Sparsic, thank you for the follow. And we got Chevy, we've got Sparsic, we've got Itachi, we've got Stank Backshot Air. Welcome, welcome. How y'all doing today? A split keyboard, indeed, indeed. Yes. I missed yesterday, I meant the day before. Yeah, the day before. Whew. Oh. Oh. What a fucking name. Yeah, right? Well, how you doing? How was your stream? Did you get your donut working, Snow? Did you model all the things while laughing at the premiere chat? The premiere chat was pretty funny. Okay. I think we're ready for the most part. Oh, we gotta put the cursor in the right spot. And that's ready to go. She got the basic torus shape and then freaked out and deleted it. Oh no. I made a torus in Minecraft once. Not quite 3D modeling. Let's see if I can even find it. Where's that going to be? Screenshot? No, it's probably in my back. Oh no, where is this going to be? Here? Oh, none of these are the... I have the Excel file for it. Are none of these the photo? Oh, I have the world for it too. I have the world file. Maybe it's just here. Oh no, I don't have a Minecraft folder anymore. Damn. Well, anyway, I made a really, really, really large forest in the sky. His old name was Ushi. Oh, it's Ushigushi. Oh, I see. I understand. A Ford Taurus? My dad used to own a Ford Taurus. Hey, what's up, Pylang? Hello, hello. I can't tell if this is an improvement. Yeah. This one, I was scared I had inverted faces. Wait, what? Biwoo! Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I'm going to fill up my water real quick so that we're ready to go for unlock. So I'll be right back. JJMC, how you doing? Hello. Okay. Eric's here. How you doing, Eric? Are you ready for the unlock today, Eric? The AOC master himself. 5 minutes before the race? Yeah, well, we haven't been doing so hot on racing recently. We haven't really raced in a whole week. So that just means we're due today, right? That's how stats work. Sparsic says, good luck, thanks. Beyond says, hope it's a fun one. I mean, they're all kind of fun. Except when the input is super misleading. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, as long as it's not 19. That's all we care about. Yes, you're due. Yeah. Thanks for the lurk, Itachi. Ooh, we gotta scroll a little bit here. Except when doing example works, but input doesn't work, then they're not fun. Yeah. Yes, that is precisely what I was referring to. Oh, I don't think I have done this yet. Bot mod test set day. Working on advent of code. The ASC. There we go. 19 crushed my soul. I think 19 crushed pretty much everyone's soul. I mean, I bet if we look at stats, it's... Yeah. 19 is the least completed day. Although it's not quite like 3-part-2. 3-part-2, 3-part-2 stopped a lot of people. I just did 8-part-2. What was 8? What number was 8? That bingo? No, 8 was the display. Yeah, that makes sense. I can understand why people didn't finish part 2 there. I had a really hard time understanding part 1 for that one. But part 2, I think, was not too bad. The last few months of my job were easy compared to day 19. I don't think I have ever had anything near as difficult as day 19 in any work that I've ever done. Actually, you know, I don't think I've had any work that's anywhere near that in any of, like, day 5. All the OC is more work than anything I've done, yeah. It wouldn't prevent me from quitting last day. I wouldn't finish 3 part 2 on principle. Right? Right? Oh wait, how much time do I have? A minute. What's special with day 20? I saw a lot of meme about Eric in day 20. Oh. RJ said somebody activated the pie upgrade trap card. Yeah, I just let's finish you on GitHub. Because someone for the 20th time asked for a feature that's intentionally not implemented. Alright, good luck. Good luck, AS Steve. Good luck, Aerobounce. Good luck, have fun, nerds. Yeah, you fucking nerd. Alright, last 10 seconds. Good luck, good luck. 6, 5, 4, press the button. 2, 1. Oh no, I don't think I turned it off. Okay. Positions. Number. Okay. Easy parse. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm already thinking about how I have to open my text editor later. Okay. Game system is single die, 2 pawns in a game. Circular track, 10 spaces, 1 through 10. Each player's starting space is chosen randomly. Not really randomly. Player 1 goes first. On each player's turn, the players roll the die 3 times and add up the results. Then the player moves the pawn that many times forward. Moving clockwise. Okay. Wrap around to 1 after 10. Base 7, they roll 2, 2, and 1. How do we get the rolls? They would move forward 5 times to spaces 8, 9, 10, 1, and then finally stopping at 2. Okay, after each player moves, they increase their score by the value of the space the pawn stopped on. Scores start at 0. So the first player starts on space 7, rolls a 5. They would stop on space 2 and add 2 to their score. The game immediately ends as a win for any player whose score reaches at least 1,000. Since the first game is a practice game, the submarine opens a compartment labeled deterministic dice and a 100-sided die falls out. The die always rolls 1, 2, 3 up into 100. Starts over at 1 again. Okay. Shit. Range 1, 101. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay. They roll 3 times. Okay. While P0 less than 1,000 and P1 less than 1,000, P1 plus equals so it goes up to 10 and wraps around. But we actually need that weird mod thing again. $11 goes down to 1. Yep. P1 equals weird mod P1 plus next die. Next die. Oh, it ends as soon as they reach this. Okay. Oh, let's do true. P1 plus equals P1 score. If P1 greater than 1,000, then break. Greater than or equal to 1,000, I think it is. Is it more than 1,000? At least 1,000. Okay. Player 2 wins the game. At this point, the losing player had that many points, and die have been rolled a total of that number of times. Okay, so we need to keep track of the count. Fuck. Oh. Fucked up. Oh god, it's so slow. Why? Was a mistake. Okay, on to part 2. Okay, open the right text editor. Single 3-sided die, quantum die. Splits into every possible outcome. The game ends when the score reaches 21. Using the same starting positions as the example one, player 1 wins in that many universes. Using your giving starting positions, determine every possible outcome. Find the player that wins in more universes. In how many universes does that player win? Fuck, here's the modular arithmetic, chat. No. Okay, so we have to figure out how this works. How do we figure out which one wins in what universes? So it's up to 21. How do we figure out if they win or not? If it is always ones, you have to figure out the depth of, which is at least 21. Okay, anyway, let me put in the expected value and then we can start thinking about how this problem works. Oh, this is nuts. Okay. I wonder if Dirac is a... So we have to figure out how they get points. I believe player 1 almost always wins more. Actually, it's whoever's further ahead, I think. Yeah, it's whoever's further ahead wins more. But how do we bound these things? Four and 8 versus 5 and 9. Ooh, okay. So we have to come up with the fun trick here, unfortunately. How did we do on part 1? We even... Because there's no way I'm getting the clever part for part 2. Ah, damn, no points for part 1. Okay, what is the modular arithmetic trick here? So... we obviously can't simulate them all. We need to figure out how players win or lose. So we have a circular tape from 1 to 10. And we have the starting positions. Okay. We have, let's say, 4, 8. And there's going to be 9 combinations from this start. Well, actually, there's 3 combinations from the start. So we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So, oh, this is gonna be a recursion problem. Okay, so this gets us to state P1 is at 5 and has score 1. And this is P2 has 8 and scores 0. And so you eventually need to work back from the end state. There are let's see. Wait, this is not 0. This is supposed to be select box. 5. And so this is P1 7 and 7 and P2 9 and 0. This is P1 8 8 and P2 8 0. We also need to know whose turn it is. I think that is the state that we need to know. So we eventually need to get to the case where, given a player's turn and score, we know how many things win or lose from that position. So like, if we're at our end states, so let's do P1 is at 20 and P2 is at 20, and it is P2's score turn. Score of 20. And P1 is at any 0 to 9. And P1 is at anything here. We know that there are 3 win conditions from this. And we know that there are 3 win conditions from this. So then if we jump back a state, yeah, I think we basically just build the map of all of the combinations of a particular player winning from a particular position, and then we traverse. But I'm not really seeing how to build out that map is the tricky part. Okay, so if we go backwards from this state, we have 3 possibilities that lead to this, which is P1, P1 that rolled a 1 and was at 5, well, was at 5 and had 14 points? Or was at 6 and had 13 points? There's a lot of combinations of this, right? Okay, so these are all the 1 rolls that would lead to this state. How many combinations are there? There's 2 turns. There are 20 possible scores. 20 times 20? 400 times 2 times 10. Not a very big number. Okay, so that is our cash bound size. Okay, I think this is all doable. This is all doable working back from here. We can figure out all of the combinations that P2 wins. We can actually figure out all the combinations for winning and losing from there. And then we can compute the full state space. Okay, I think that's what we're going to try and do. Oh boy, how is that going to work? Computed equals some map. And we are going to have a game state. Which is going to have P1 pause, int P1 score, int P2 pause, int P2 score, int and turn, and we're gonna have win count as well. P1 win, P2 win. Idolator, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, it's Idoator. I see. Okay, so we seed our inputs with the end cases. So we know when game state this could really be any number, right? Oh, P1 pause could be so any position for P1 computed. Oh, we're just doing the stopped. Please continue. So, this should be 1 to 11. So any P1 pause and any P2 score, P1 score, and P2 pause is any P1, any pause as well. Oh, we should just compute all the winning positions. Oh wait, we can just compute all of the positions. We can compute all of the end states. All of the final win states. Which is basically this computation here, but for 21. What's the math for that? Let's not do that first. Let's just do the hard-coded ones that I wanted. So for a position of 20, or position of anything, so that is equal to win count P2, P1 win, P1 wins 0 of those, and P2 wins all 3 of those. Care about player who is winning. Might be able to simplify this further later. Okay, we can also do, oh god, what have I done? We can also do the opposite direction, where P1 is about to go, and P1 has 3 possible wins. Oh, but we could just do recursion. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do instead. And then we can just call a recursive function and it'll figure it out via our cache doohicker. P1 turn bool. Okay. If P1 turn and let's do our termination condition first. If P1 turn and Okay, so these are the three possible dies. New pause equals weird mod p1 pause plus I. New score equals p1 score. All right. I have to do the opposite down here. That doesn't seem right. Seems too simple. Oh, we need to return both counts. You change 1 to 3 and then change 2 to 1. And then change 3 to 1. Oh shit, no, 3 to 2. Except this should still be like this. This should be true. And These should be this. I feel like this is not right. It's part one. It's like. So I feel like there should be some multiplication somewhere. Yeah, plus equals 2. $866. There's supposed to be some multiplication somewhere. What does that number even mean? What the fuck did I get here? What do these numbers mean? Okay, they are clearly not exponents, so that's helpful. What did I do wrong here? Oh my god, why are there so many emotes in chat? Wow. Gun duck, what is going on? Like, wow, you have quite a few cat bites there, Snowcone. This is not right. This is not right. Just because I'm curious. Should be 3. That's working fine. What if we do this? Get 2 of the 3. If we upgrade this to 2, 3 and 0. How did we get 2 and 3 here? Let's see, at 18, if we roll a 1, we go to 2 and get 20. And then there are 3 losing universes there. Three losing universes. We should be multiplying somewhere. What happens if we just do this? What do we get? We also have to do it down here as well. I don't think that's right, but I just want to see what the number looks like. Order closer. Right though. I feel like I'm doing this backwards. I feel like we need to, I feel like I had the right idea in the beginning, that we need to go from the beginning and subtract and multiply that way. You guys are nuts. Whoa, the double-headed noodle. Do we need to know the turn length? Let's keep the turn length around. It's not helpful. This is not. Where does the multiplying come into play? What? Is this hard to think about? So we know the number of winning positions at this position is equal to the number of wins at this position plus this position plus this position, I think. That's what I currently have. He's making a tic-tac-toe game? Duck Duck Goose? I mean, it is basically Duck Duck Goose. Yeah, I'm still on part 2 large popping. Hmm. Let me just change this number to be smaller and then just actually simulate it and see what happens. Right? Is that a thing I can do? How would I actually simulate it? Well, we can write out the simulation. Let's say that they're trying to get to 10 instead. Yes. Let's draw one more of these. Okay, so P1. Oh, why is this 9? This is not a 9, this is an 8. Oops. Oh, that one's already fine. Okay. Okay, so we have a 1 and a 2 and a 3. And this makes P1 5 5 and P2 9 9. And this one makes P1 5 5, P2 10 10, which is a win. And this one makes P1 5 5 and then P2 1 1. Black Swordsman, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're doing well. And Thrasher Gun, thank you as well for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Live coding, how's it going? Read the problem, ready to begin. Nice, nice. Can't you use recursion? That's what I've got. I've got some recursion, but it is not giving me numbers that are big numbers. Very few memwise, yeah, that's what I have right now, but I'm not figuring out where I'm missing something. Like, I believe this is all the state that I need. The problem is just figuring out how many... Like, I'm not computing the universe count is the problem, I think. Somehow. Snowcone says no hints. No hints yet. Like, I think I need the turn depth somehow. To figure things out. Into this is the puzzle, yeah. Is this even right? Okay, so if P1 rolls a 1, they lose 1. No, if P1 rolls a 1, they lose 3. P1 rolls a 2, they win 1. P1 rolls a 3, they win 1. I feel like this value is correct. This seems right also. It's like if we roll a 2, sorry, if we roll a 1, we get 19 points, and then P2 can roll anything and win. We roll a 2, we get 20 points, and then P1 rolls anything and wins. Those are the 2 6s. If we roll a 3, we get 21 and win. Celebrities in chat, indeed. Hey, what's up, The Weekend? Hello. I gave up on AOC. No. No. This has 3 ways that P2 wins. Hey, what's up, The Weekend, Uncle? Oh, who received a gift sub from Snowcone. Thank you for the gift sub, Snowcone. We're going to part 2 of the week old problem. Nice. Sad that Python 3.8 can't use cache. Yeah. Well, you can use LRU cache. It's basically the same thing. Your first gift set? Nice. Azteca. Oh, also got a gift set from Snow Cone. Thank you, thank you. Is that LRQ? It's not an annotation, it's a decorator. But yes, otherwise yes. You're just gifting one at a time, Snow. Thank you for the gift set, Snow. Appreciate it. Brett, welcome to Subtum. I repent for my sin. I'm a fake stan. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I don't know why this doesn't work. I feel like this should work. Let's step through it, see what it looks like. Numbers are just so small. Snow, thank you for gifting to live coding. I'm gonna give people in chat, is that a crime? No, it's not a crime. I sinned by being a fake Anthony fan account. Yeah, this number just doesn't seem big enough. Let's just print all the calls and see what happens. Oh, we need to dash S. We get a ton of calls here. I wonder. Snow, thank you for the gift sub to Epsilon. Oh, we didn't call the function yet. I was like, what? I'm gonna go fill up my water. I'll be right back. At this point, Snow summing anyone who chats. Now's your chance. Okay, that was just a bad guess. That had no logic whatsoever. So we get rid of that idea. Silence Crickets, time's up, folks. Thanks for participating. So we definitely make a lot of recursive calls here. But we're not getting the right values somehow. Even though I feel like these should add up quickly. But let's see. Hey, what's up? Oh wait, what did I call? What were you supposed to call? Qualsy? Qualsy? Pika Fago, welcome, welcome. We have a bunch of cache entries. How do I see the cache entries? Is that private? Epsilon? Wait, you were already here. Oh my god, what am I missing? I feel like I have the right idea, but maybe not the right direction. Oh, just trying out the new emotes. Nice, nice. You're missing the part where you get the right answer. Yeah. Yep. Suppose there are only 100 potential answers for part 2. Yes, that is true. Because there are only 100 starting positions. right. We don't have nice things. I kind of just want to see what this does. Look at that cache size. MOTD is iLoad Python. Nice. I'm not excited to reach this day of AOC. Snow, this is not the worst day. The worst day is 19. This one I feel like is not bad. I'm just not... Either there's a slight bug in my recursion, or I'm not understanding where I need to multiply. Or something. My code for this day is one of the shortest. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't surprise. It shouldn't be that complicated. Is Wolfram Alpha just always down during advent of code? Is that what we've come to? Is that a thing now? Is there not just a thing that lets me factor this? Hey, why is Wolfram Alpha down? Is it hint time? A subtle hint would be to reread the problem. I mean, kind of want to see what this person is. A physicist. Pot roast forever. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wait, Wolfram Alpha works for you? Do I need dub on the beginning? Is that the problem? Root Pseudo Sue says, is this the guy that codes in his VM? Yes. It me. I mean, there's a lot of us that do. Yeah, that's not loading for me either. I don't know what's up with that. Is it HTTPS? I don't fucking know. Reread could be a huge help. I really don't think it will be. Universe splits into 3, 1 copy for each possible outcome. Rolling a die always splits the universe into 3 copies. One where the outcome of the roll was 1, one where it was 2, and one where it was 3. Game is played the same as before, although to prevent from things getting too far out of hand, the game now ends when either player's score reaches at least 21. Using those starting push zones. Find the player that wins in more universes, and how many does that player win? The game is played the same as before? Except not, because the die is different. Do I have a bug in how my game is being played? Oh my fucking god, we're supposed to roll 3 dice. Oh, I'm only rolling 1 dice. I am an idiot. Ah. So I have completely the right idea, but dumb fucking code. My god. I am just making stupid bugs. Print. I don't need these to be like this. It's really just... Oh, I bet it overlaps, because you could have 3, 2, 1 is the same as 1, 2, 3. This number is still not big enough. Weird mod, lol, I love your function names, yeah. I'm an idiot, my theme this whole AOC, yeah. The number of the counting shall be 3, no more, no less. Yeah. That still isn't changing things enough, unfortunately. That was going to make the difference. That is certainly a mistake. Oh, what am I doing? Why do I got range 1, 2, 3? That's obviously not what I want. That's just gonna be empty, always. And then instead of min, I want max. Oh, reading. Oh, reading. Oh, reading. Eric says, if I type seashells into Urban Dictionary, am I going to regret it? I don't think so. Shaz! Whoa, thank you for the resub with Prime at 20 months. Thank you for your continued support. Good to see you again. Man, just make stupid bugs. Now, I wonder if there's a way I can remove most of this code dupe, because that part's kind of shit. Anytime Marsha uses mop blush, you should be concerned. Do you want to see how many times we should be concerned? Grep dash EI. Use your old name too. Mop blush in logs are. Wow, only 1,810 mop blushes? You can always assume it's the first player's turn and swap the players. You're giving me too many hints, Brett. We've talked about this, buddy. We've talked about this. We can also use... Is this the right function? At least get rid of the double for loops. No, it's not. What's the fucking thing called? I can never remember the right word for this, which is probably why I have the wrong function. Where's the one that takes... It's chain, cycle, repeat. Star map? No. Where's the one that takes a whole bunch of iterables? Terminating the short sequence, not what I want. Product. Product is what I want. Product. Yeah, that fits fine. That's slightly less jank. Cool. I can't control myself. I can't control. Wait, is this from a movie? Is this some stupid shit my brother and I came up with? See, everything gets like super muddled inside of my head, but for some reason, we had this dumb quote, which is, "I can't control my anger," but I don't know what it's from. I don't know if it's actually from something or it's just dumb shit that my brother and I said. Why is p1 equals true highlighted as blue? This is a named argument, so named arguments will get blue. I didn't use the named arguments for anything else in here. Why does that sound familiar? That's the other thing, is like I've told this to people and they're like, this sounds familiar, but I don't know what it's from. See if it comes up as a quote. Oh fuck, now I'm on a list. Oh no, this is a depressing list of things. Oh wait, there was a movie thing. No, it must just be something that my brother and I made up. Do you ever try running your code in PyPy3? Yeah, occasionally. It does make it a lot faster. We did some stuff. We've done this a few times where we compare PyPy3, MyPyC, and CPython, and NuItka, and the other one. I think that's it. Just to kind of see the difference of those. Phoenix from X-Men? No, it's very specifically I can't control my anger. That is very much what it is. Missed on update day, new record today? I believe so. We actually didn't see the count because it was off the chart because auto update happened more than 12 hours in the past, but we can actually see from the logs here how many it did. That's not the logs. We want CloudWatch. CloudWatch. How many did we do today? Oh, wait, that's fewer than last week. Slightly less than 9,000. That's weird. This one, oh wait, that one's the same number. Which was, yeah, this, huh. That's weird. The number went down by 700 this week. Or not 700, 200. Okay, so slightly under 9,000. Lots of ban users? Yeah, that wouldn't surprise me. Now I'm on a list. First step is admitting you have a problem. Yeah, today is Depression Day, so... Or I guess it's... Yeah, it is now today, December 21st. But, on the bright side, the days will get longer now. So we are past Depression Day. Happy Depression Day, chumps. Yeah. Really happy Eric can make us depressed with part 2 on Depression Day. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to commit part 1 and add part 2 and then think about what Brett said. Which I would have gotten to eventually. Oops. 9:12 is our fast buio. Fast. Air quotes fast. Day 21. Day 1 part day 1. Hello. And we should be able to actually make this faster with the other optimization as well. Oh, I should rerun yesterday's because I changed the code and I forgot to update the README. The code should be slightly faster. It was faster on my other computer, and my other computer is 3 years older than this. And a laptop. So... it definitely should be faster. Day 21 part 2. NB says, totally lost on day 21. This problem seems so extraordinarily simple. Just do all the roles and then increment how many universes lead to a simple game. And the exact code I have now after 10 minutes, and I've simplified it so clearly I can't possibly figure out why my results aren't what they're expected. Strike Up says, I finished day 12. I should not be employed as a software developer. What? Day 12, like, I don't know. Day 12's pretty far on. Built-in's int is not iterable? Oh. Yes, indeed. This has the wrong annotation. Okay. Rerun. Well, actually, we should rerun part 1 first. Oh, this is day 21. It's like, that one was not that fast. This one should be only slightly faster than last time. Still slow. Not gonna run this. We're not gonna run this 5 times. We're just gonna run it once. Oh my god, maybe it's not faster. Yeah, that's a little bit faster. It was like 90 something last time. Yeah. Day 20 input.txt. Retime day 20. Okay, so let's improve this here. Thanks for putting all this together. Yeah, no problem. You mean Eric, I assume. Not me. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, you're free to share code. People share code all the time on the subreddit. You can make part 2 faster if you swap players. Yeah, no, that's exactly what I'm doing, Siberian Lumberjack. I already received that hint, but you don't need to give me hints. Not only does it make it faster, it makes the code shorter. Wait, that doesn't feel right. It is, though. Wait, that feels slower. It feels way slower. Oh, I'm on the wrong day. Uh... These are supposed to swap. Yep, and that'll do half as many recursions, so it should be about twice as fast. Oops. Remove turn state for twice the speed. Thanks for making ASC. Okay, all right. Pretty sure you just said not to give him hints. Yes, exactly. No hints. No hints, Siberian Lumberjack. I didn't read your hint anyway, but yes, no hints unless I ask for them. And I usually don't ask for hints. Okay. I don't know if this is a hint, but the answer is 42. Hint, this hint exists. Yeah. Okay. That's all fine and dandy. I don't think there's really anything I would improve here. Technically, we could know all of these numbers up front, and then we don't need to product them. Oh. Right, we auto-updated today. Why did I do list? Yeah, so like we could have this list. We could even do counters. It's 9 plus 10 equals 21. Huh. Yeah, wild. Wild how that works out. Hate when games misuse the word hint and say basic things like hint use WASD to move. Yeah, that's true, it's true. Fantastic Dan, hello, hello. I wonder if last year's crab would be any good at dice. Pretty sure 9 plus 10 is 8. Yeah. So we can do this. Whoops. Do this. To whoops. So to speed up our inner loop a bit more. That should be, oh, that's part 1. Collections. Is this a valid optimization? It is. How much faster? Ooh. That's even faster. I kind of hate this expression. Wonder if we're... This is actually fewer characters. Which is amazing. And in this house we hate iter tools, so kind of fun. Yeah, I like this solution better. How am I going to show this in my video? Alright. Optimize a little further with dice counts. Oh, I forgot to retime. 104 milliseconds was the fast one? Yeah. Oh, I forgot to retime twice. Wait. No, I just made this way faster. Okay, cool. Cool. Devil, welcome, welcome. Code adventure. Yeah, you could say that. All right, cool. That is going to wrap us up for today. Oh wait, we got to see how poorly I did. Oh, still under 2,000. That's actually not terrible, considering This was 4 hours deep in 2000. An hour. Oh, I broke my 1 hour thing. Damn. Well, 1 hour except for this day. Okay. And that puts me further off the leaderboard. We're now 130 points back. Yeah. Which means we basically, real hard to be on the overall leaderboard at the end. But that's fine. Okay, anyway. That's enough for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational videos to YouTube 3 times a week, and I've also been uploading Advent of Code solutions, so check those out on my YouTube channel. I also upload my streams to my VODs channel, so if you missed anything and want to check that out, go there. Walker Codes, thank you for the bits. Thank you. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is on Twitter, and that's twitter.com/codewithanthony. Yeah, where I talk about what I'm going to stream, and then I stream. I also announce on the Discord, which you are all free to join and come hang out with us. There's Advent of Code channel if you want to join our private leaderboard, and then a bunch of other fun channels as well to hang out. But yes, let us go find someone to raid.